Hi there, Isaac Owolabi, Project Manager of Tacho Lycos Rocketry Team here at NC State University. And I have here with me John Claybrook, who is the Head of Systems Optimization. And John, tell us a little bit about your role. It covers a broad range of topics.
Okay, so basically I work with risk mitigation, team organization, and also any kind of documentation that NASA requires for the project.
Excellent. Now, you talk about risk mitigation. We all know that the risks are inherent, especially with dealing with high-powered rockets. Tell us about some of the risks that you encounter and what exactly you do to mitigate or reduce the effect or occurrence of these risks.
Okay, well, there are many, many kinds. To break them down, we have programmatic risks. We have the actual risk to the rocket design, the structure. We have recovery risks. We have risks involving our payload. And we also have risks and failure potential during the launch itself. So basically what I do is I go through each one of those modes and find the most common risks that we're going to run into, any kind of hazards in addition to that,
okay,
and basically prevent those risks from happening. That's what mitigation is all about.
Okay, okay. Now, you talk about risk to the rocket, but also as far as dealing with team members, what kinds of risks and how do you mitigate those things to keep things safe?
Okay. So a lot of times we'll run into material hazards.
Excellent.
So one thing we do for this is we've created a binder with material safety and data sheets. And these are quick reference guides that any of the team members can quickly cite anytime we're working with epoxies, anytime we're working with dangerous materials, compounds, any harsh chemicals. So these tell us the kind of precautions that we need to take, whether special type of glove to wear, if we need respirators, if we need safety glasses to wear, things of that nature.
Excellent, excellent. And so what are you working on right now? I see that you're working on something right here.
So what this does is this gives us a nice visual flow chart of the construction process. We have this basically broken down in detail to where each individual box gives us a brief title, it gives us an ID number, and that ID number we then refer to our actual task chart that shows the entire construction step, and then it gives us the successors that we can also follow along the arrows along, and it also tells us the predecessors so that we can make sure we're not doing this step without having completed any and all of the predecessors.
Excellent, excellent.